Looking for a left-handed drill bit set? Don't know what to get? These are the ones. Ranges from 1/16 through 1/2 inch. Full lifetime warranty on the whole set. Got these a few weeks back for my Mac rep. Today I got in the truck and picked the baby brothers of those. The stubby set. Same thing with these. Ranges from 1/16 through 1/2 inch. You're in a tight spot, gotta do an extraction. This is the drill bit you use. Quick comparison between the two. With the right angle drill, you're in a tight spot. This might save your bacon, so why not have both sets? Better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Stop playing. Get on the Mac trucks and get yourself a set. Quality fucking drill bits.